You're the northern wind, sending shivers down my spine. You're like falling leaves in an autumn night. You're the lullaby that's singing me to sleep. You are the other half, you're like a missing piece. Oh my love, oh my love, oh my love, you don't know what you do.
A bit of current just here as we head into the Messina Strait off Sicily. We're doing 9 knots at the moment with barely a puff of wind. It's just current. Apparently the water gets to about 3 meters deep just up here too, so you can see that current and the shallow water. No, some sort of fishing boat maybe. Although there's people right up the top too.
Oh, she's got a spear.
Yeah. And maybe there's spotters up there.
Yeah.
It's just before the rain.
We've just worked out what these strange looking fishing boats are doing. They're actually catching swordfish because one's just gone past us. There's about half a dozen, if not more of them here. One's just gone past us and they've just caught one, they've just landed one. So the spotters are up the top. There's 3 or 4 guys up the top just searching. The guy at the front looks to me as if he's got some sort of harpoon or spear or something like that. And they just spear him and then pull him back into the boat. I don't know how they do that though, because swordfish are pretty bloody quick, but the guys right behind us, they've just got one and they're loading up to go again. So I think we should put the lines out, see if we can nail one.
All right, fishing rods at the ready.
Yeah.
I'm the darkest hour, just before the dawn, and I'm slowly.
Today we're down in the south of Sicily, still in the Messina Strait, but sort of towards the bottom. On our way to Malta. We've got one more stop tonight at Porto Palo before we make our way across to Malta. And the conditions have been fabulous. We're cruising along here. We've been doing 7 knots with the mainsail and the Jenica running. But over on the land at the moment, there's a massive storm brewing.
A little bit of nastiness.
Yeah, so we think it's mainly rain. We did hear one rumble of thunder, and so far the conditions are fine and we are quite close to land, so we're not concerned at this stage, but we're going to keep a close eye on that. They did say there was a slight chance of some rain today, but that looks like a real chance of rain.
But the good thing about getting rain is that we get a free wash too. And Let's Dance is a little bit dirty at the moment. I'm all for the rain.
We just don't want anything too exciting, that's all. We want the rain, but we don't want anything else that's too dramatic. Did you say you just saw a bit of lightning?
Yep, a little bit of lightning out the side here.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure whether we're going to get it. I think this onshore breeze is going to keep it away from us.
Whoa, listen to that.
There's a little bit of thunder. We've got nice 11.5, 12 knots of breeze, sailing along at 6 knots, hitting 6.5, 7 sometimes.
Yeah. And we're pretty happy. There's actually 2 other yachts out here sailing, and they're a lot closer to the action than we are. And we've just been passed by a motorboat that looks like he's actually heading to Malta. He's just up ahead there. And in fact, there's another sailing boat up ahead of us as well, just on the horizon. So there's people out here. And we've pretty much got summer on this side of the boat. That's all beer and skittles over here, and that's what's pushing us along. That's the weather we're enjoying. It's just that we've got this bit of...
Maybe we'll get a bit of water when we get to Porto
Palos.
Porto Palos. Maybe we'll get a bit of rain when we get there because we definitely need a wash. Never mind, it is what it is.
Yeah.
We'll go where the wind takes us.
Yeah. I would have liked it if it was just rain, but hearing that big long rumble of thunder, I think we can do without.
I don't think we're going to get it. It's going to miss us. More thunder.
I just got a drop of rain, honey. I wouldn't like to be going in their direction. They're sailing straight into that storm. But we're getting a little bit of rain, which is better than nothing. And it's actually quite pleasant out here. We're enjoying the sail. We're doing great speeds with minimal wind, and the conditions are lovely despite the thunder. Yeah, and we've got quite a nice lightning show as well off to our starboard rear, so it's actually quite nice. Mick's decided to go fishing.
Rain might bring the fish on, you never know. Up along, honey.
Outrunning the storm.
It's actually really pleasant sailing along with the water, with the boat. You know, we're doing 7.5, 8 knots.
It's a good show too. Over here.
Lots of true wind.
Yeah.
Oh, did you hear that? 27 mile today. Hardly had the engines on at all. And we're cruising along. We've got 9 mile to our destination. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And this guy over here, this motorboat over here, which once upon a time used to be you and I, sure, he's travelling at 20.2 knots, but he's probably chewing about 100 litres an hour.
Of fuel.
Yeah. And we're getting to our destination for free.
Yeah, we are.
I think I'm a converted sailor.
Yeah, we even put our mainsail up this morning before we upped the anchor.
We did, yeah. Sailed out of the harbour, put up our genoa first, a little bit of wind on our beam, and out with the Gennica, and we haven't touched it since. As you can see, we're cruising along at 7.5 knots at the moment, hitting 8s every now and then. A little bit of thunder and lightning in the background. Very, very pleasant.
It's nice day. It's not hot, that's what it is. We've been stinking hot. It's actually just lovely.
I had to just put a shirt on because I was getting cold.
You've been thunderstruck, thunderstruck, yeah, 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 thunderstruck,
That guy going north, he might get a little bit wet this afternoon, I think. He's going that way, he's going that way.
What could I come again, please?
Whereas you turn around and have a look where we're going.
Yep.
We're sailing great. Was that 01 over? 01 over. You said 01, didn't you?
Yep. Do you know what it is? What it's about?
Let's Dance Receiving Station calling, over. Sorry, I didn't catch that. English, over.
Actually, do you speak Italiano? No.
No, sorry, no Italian, just English.
Only English. Okay, ciao, ciao, bye.
607. 607 over. 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 6 Ciao, ciao.
He just wanted to chat with you. And because you can't have a conversation, he's gone ciao ciao, goodbye. Well, who is he?
I don't know.
Is there any boats?
Well, he might have been that guy that just gone the other way.
Yeah.
And he might have been interested to know, because we've just come from there.
Oh, yeah.
He might have been interested to get a bit of a weather update from where we've just come from.
Right.
I'd say that's who it was.
Yeah, because it wasn't obviously an official
And he didn't
call.
He didn't pass on his name either. He called us, but didn't give us his call sign. I would say it's the vessel that just passed, and because he's sailing into that, he's probably looking for knowledge of what that's like because we've just come through it.
Do you think it's that older couple in the blue-hulled yacht?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, the ones that we waved at?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
And because we couldn't speak Italiano, he,
Gave up.
yeah, conversation wasn't going to happen. Never mind.
Could I come again, please? Well, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck. Yeah, 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 thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
Well, we're just approaching the southeast corner of Sicily. We've got 2 miles before we turn that corner and head into Porto Palo for the day to bunker down and wait for an opportunity to go to Malta. It's been a pretty interesting sail though, because that storm that was behind us is now beside us out this side and looking just as spectacular as it did behind us. There's still a lot of rumbling going on. We've got a bit more wind at the moment. It's coming off that storm, but we're sort of on the edge of it now, so it's going to be a nice cruisy ride into Porto Palo. And we're just loading up to put out the Jenica at the moment. We've just downed the mainsail because the wind's behind us and it's not doing much. And we're going to roll out the Jenica and that will take us into Porto Palo where we will anchor for the night. Here we are at Porto Palo, greeted by the sunny sky. Over here, we can still see lightning happening. It's really crazy. We've got a great anchorage here tonight. We're holding beautifully and yeah, we can relax now. Just got to pack up a few sails and then we can chill. Must be mating season for turtles. We've seen 2 pairs so far this morning. Trying to get them on film, but you got to be really quick. We normally only see them just as we're about to run over them, and they're so intent on what they're doing, they don't even bother diving, do they, Dylan?
No, they do break apart and get out of the way though.
Yeah.
Nice tanker off our port side at the moment.
Yeah.
When you finally let go, and you say that solo, 'cause you listen to that music, sing it oh, 'cause you're confident, babe. Yeah, you make your hips sway. We knew that you could do it.
Well, it's been a lumpy, bumpy old ride today across from the south of Sicily to Malta. The winds have only been light, but the sea is just so lumpy. Michael and I have both felt seasick. Feeling a little bit better now because it's not quite as lumpy as it was, but we're really looking forward to getting into a harbour. As you approach Malta as a non-EU boat and non-EU crew, we're supposed to apparently contact Valletta Port Authority 10 miles out and requesting permission to enter Maltese waters. We've been trying to do that and no one's answering us, but the channel that you contact them on, VHF12, is completely jam-packed with tankers calling the Port Authority, arranging bunkers to anchor in and petrol refills and all sorts of stuff, so we actually think they're not very interested in us, but we will try again. We're doing our best.
Valletta Port, this is Tahiti calling over. Valletta Port. For your information, as the Portmaster advises on board, we are proceeding north-northeast. We are going to scan the area of the VLCC Maran.
Oh, you reckon?
Yep. We'll anchor off and then we'll catch the dinghy in and go to
I reckon.
immigration. This is Imga. It's nice. Our first port in Malta. So we need to check into customs and we're having a few problems getting our anchor to hold here outside of the marina. The actual harbour itself is tiny and extremely busy with ferries coming in and out. So we thought, well, we'll just anchor just outside the harbour. Unfortunately, the holding is not good and we're dragging a bit. So Michael's going to take the dinghy in and check us into Malta while I stay on board and make sure that we don't drag into the path of these big ferries that are coming and going every 5 minutes. Good luck getting us into Malta.
Should be right.
Not expecting any problems?
I hope not. I might not be able to get you in.
Oh, right. Sight unseen.
Yeah. They might have doubts. I think we'll be right.
All right,
You grab that boat.
I will. Bye, sweetie.
Bye-bye.
We're in.
It's harder to get out of the marina than it was to clear customs.
Okay. Why is that?
Just locked gates. Yeah. And then when I finally found the guy that actually opened the gate and let me out, the marina staff was waiting on the other side and he saw me coming in and he just said, "Can I help you, sir?" And I said, "Yeah. I'm just trying to get outside the marina so I can clear in at customs." And he said, "Oh, we've got a mooring here that we let you moor for an hour for free to do all your customs stuff like that." And I said, "What channel do I get you on, mate?" And he said, 1-3. But customs took about 10 minutes by the time I found it.
Yeah.
And guy in there, "Yeah, it's okay, mate." I said, we're anchored. I said, "We're anchored off just outside the marina." He said, "Don't care where you're anchored." He said, "The marina might." And I said, no, I've seen the marina guys and they're all cool.
Everyone's happy.
Yeah, got the paperwork, got the stamp, just got to clear out.
Rightio. I've cooked some quinoa while you're away.
You're like a cool breeze in the heat. You're like the rhythm, I'm the beat.
We're accumulating quite a crowd of people here, and what time is it? It's only 9:30 in the morning or something. How is it?
Yeah, beautiful.
27 degrees.
'Cause what I found in you is better than everything I ever had before. Take me far away to a secret hiding place.
go, Duff.
I feel like I've just jumped into somebody's aquarium and gone for a swim. There's all these rock ledges and little bunkers down there and different coloured fish, and I can see what you mean about our anchor in that tiny patch of sand and then that big rock ledge.
No, there's some beautiful fish down there.
Yeah. The way that seagrass just sways, babe.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I'm going back in.
Enjoy.
You light me up when dark and fades. Don't waste your time, go to the chase. Take me far away.
Apparently this area was used quite extensively during World War II. It was quite a strategic point, so you can just imagine all the troops up here in these bunkers defending this patch of the Mediterranean. There's quite a lot of evidence of it around the place.
To a secret hiding place. Take me far away.
Oh, here comes another boat. It's all happening right here at Camino Island.
Take me far away.
Glad we're parked here we are, Duff. And not in here where those other guys are.
Yeah, it's crowded. Yeah, we're out of the melee, just.
Most of those tour operators are trying to get in as close as they possibly can.
There's a boat going past. One of those ferries. Cool.
Take me far away. To a secret.
Whoops. We've been invaded by day trippers. They are everywhere. What's going on with all these people?
Unbelievable.
Where have they all come from?
Last night there were, what, 3 boats here?
Yeah.
Check them out. Look at this one here with the slippery side.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
They must come from Valletta.
Yeah. And there's us over there in amongst all the action.
We've just been over to the hotel trying to upload our video, trying to get some Wi-Fi. We've walked back.
To this madness and mayhem.
Unbelievable.
Look at it, it's going on.
I can understand why they come here though, like it's a magic spot.
Yeah, it is. People everywhere on this tiny, tiny island of Camino.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
That's that cat that called in here last night with all the British boys.
Oh yeah.
Good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Hi. What's the drink?
Cocktail bar over there.
Is it good?
It's good, yeah.
Yeah?
We have a whole list of cocktails.
Ah, excellent.
We got to swim home, Dar.
God.
Let's get into it.
Okay, let's do it. This is only a tiny cove, but the amount of activity in here is unbelievable. There are boats coming, boats going, ice cream boats everywhere. I can see 3 right now out the back here. Ferries, sailing boats, little day hire boats. Here comes another boatload of people. I don't know how many people you can fit in here, but apparently you can fit way more than what there already is. So they're bringing them in. There's boats in here towing tubes, there's jet skis, there's people swimming, people snorkeling, people diving.
By far the busiest little cove we've ever been in, by a long shot.
It's just all happening. It's a feast for the eyes. Great entertainment watching all these boats getting in and out and all the near misses. Look at this out the back of us just now. And that's after a couple of boats have just left and beyond down here. When we got here last night, we thought, oh, this place is nice, but we thought it's nothing special. But it actually is really fantastic. The vibe here is awesome. There's music coming from all the boats and it's great. Would it be wrong to go and read my book?
No, I just sit here and people watch.
Maybe if I do it with a G&T, that would make it okay.
Yeah, maybe.
There's more people arriving. Wow, it's gorgeous. It's a funny place, Malta. It's quite barren in a lot of places.
So it goes, another lonely day. You're saving time, but you're miles away. Your flowers drowning in some bitter tea. You're seeing life's opportunity. Find your mirror, go and look inside. And see the talent you're always hide. Don't go kid yourself, well not today. Satisfaction's not far away. Hold on now, your exit's here. It's waiting just for you. Don't pause too long, it's fading now. It's ending all too soon.
We've decided this stretch of Malta looks very foreign and exotic. The camera will not do this justice.
Soon you'll see. Coffee's warm, but your milk is sour. Life is short, but you're here to flower. Dream yourself along another day. Never miss opportunity. Don't be scared of what you cannot see. Your only fear is possibility. Never wonder what the hell went wrong. Your second chance may never come along. Hold on now, your exit's here. It's waiting just for you. Don't pause too long, it's fading now. It's ending all too soon. You'll see. Soon you'll see. It's ending all too soon. You'll see.